嚟到2025年版嗰嘅 MC 係第十二條啦，咁啊嚟到第12至14條啦，我哋都係根據翻以下呢一個 investigation 啦，呢一個咁嘅設計去諗啦，究竟條題目點樣去答啦？咁啊，其實呢個題目咧相對嚟講咧就複雜少少啦，咁啊難度都高翻少少，即係對比頭先我哋做嗰11條嘅話，呢3條開始咧，我覺得個難度係切合翻 DSE 嘅 level 咁樣啦。咁啊，一齊望望條題目啦。咁啊，questions 12 to 14 refer to an investigation on the water potential of a type of algae. The procedures of the investigation are shown below 啦。咁首先實驗題啊嘛，第一步 aim 啦，investigation on the water potential of a type of algae，即係其實呢個咪就係個 aim 咯，即係佢希望揾到我哋呢一個藻類佢個水勢係啲乜嘢，係咪？咁啊，中文嘅同學仔啦，algae 即係我哋嘅藻類咁樣啦。咁啊，望一望啊個 set up 嘅 step one，咁啊第一步，咁啊首先將呢啲 algae 啦係擺喺唔同嘅 concentration of sucrose solution，即係唔同濃度嘅一啲蔗糖入面，跟住我哋都加咗 a few drops of dye solution to each sucrose solution，咁啊即係將呢啲 algae 啦，相同種類嘅 algae 擺咗落去唔同 concentration 入面嘅蔗糖入面，再加幾滴嘅 dye solution 入面，咁啊1個鐘頭之後就變咗我哋嘅 step two 啦。咁1個鐘頭之後，你見到啲水已經變咗有啲顏色咁樣啦。咁跟住我哋就用一個 dropper 去攞一滴嘅 dilute sucrose solution，即係你見到個箭嘴上升啦，之後我哋吸一滴上嚟啦。吸完一滴上嚟之後，我哋就去咗 step three 啦。咁啊，prepare the same cell as step one but without algae，and then transfer the drop of the dilute sucrose solution to the center of the corresponding test solution。即係咧，我哋咧準備多一個箱，而呢個箱咧同我哋嘅 step one 係一模一樣嘅，除咗冇咗個 algae 冇咗個藻類之外嘅啫。跟住我哋將呢個 dropper 擺喺一個中間嘅位嘅時候，跟住就放我哋嗰滴嘅 dilute solution 落出嚟啦。咁放完呢滴 solution 之後喎，咁跟住有咩發生啊？咁啊睇一睇呢幅圖啦。The diagram below shows the position of the drop of the dilute sucrose solution right after its immediate movement in the test solution。即係咧，我哋 step three 擺完嗰滴嘢之後咧，個 immediate movement 就係而家我哋呢幅圖見到咁嘅樣啦。咁啊，見到啦，我哋個 drop of dilute sucrose solution 有唔同嘅高度啦，而我哋嘅 step up two 咧就 likely 就係我哋頭先中間嗰個位啦，即係佢冇乜點變化。而我哋嘅5%、15%同埋20% 嘅 solution 入面咧，其實就有唔同嘅變化啦，即係5%就跌咗落嚟啦，15至20%就上升咗咁樣啦，係咪？咁啊，望一望條題目問乜嘢啦？即係我哋睇完個 set up 啦，睇咗一紮嘅實驗嘅一啲結果啦、步驟啊，睇晒啦之後，咁啊都要翻返去條題目啦，睇條題目問緊啲乜嘢先啦，係咪？咁啊，based on the position of the drop of the dilute sucrose solution right after its immediate movement in 10% test solution，which of the following statement is or are correct？咁啊，題目啦，俾咗個答題方向你啦，佢就問緊個10% 嘅 test solution 嘅啫。咁所以其實我哋 focus 喺呢個位度睇啦，係咪？係咪10%啊嘛？佢就問緊，咁所以我哋睇翻10% 嗰個位啦。咁其實同學仔諗清楚先，究竟呢個實驗做緊啲乜嘢啊？其實呢個實驗我哋係睇緊個 water potential of algae 啊嘛，睇緊水勢，即係 algae 入面嘅水勢啦，係咪？咁其實我哋嘅高度唔同，即係佢哋個 position 唔同，究竟顯示緊佢啲乜嘢啊？佢係顯示緊佢嘅 water potential 唔同啊嘛，係咪？咁你可以幻想得到咯喎。如果我哋擺完10% 嘅 concentration 落去，跟住佢個 water dye，即係佢而家呢個位啦，係咪？佢個 concentration 其實同之前差唔多，咁所以佢個 position 咪會相對上係 same level 咯，係咪？即係代表其實佢而家呢一個 same level 係代表緊啲咩？係代表緊佢哋個 concentration，即係我哋寫埋啦，代表個 concentration 其實係 similar as 10% 嘅 concentration 啦，係咪？所以佢先冇一個上升或者下跌嘅趨勢嘅啫嘛，係咪？咁所以我哋 base on 呢樣嘢之後，其實我哋已經知道第一個答案係啱嘅咯喎，因為佢第一個答案講啲乜嘢？即係 the density of dilute sucrose solution is the closest to that of 10% sucrose solution 啊嘛，咪就係正確咯。因為佢就係最 closest to 10%，咁所以佢個 position 咪會好似 same level 咁樣咧，或者 similar level 咁樣咯，係咪？咁啊，相對嚟講咧，我哋當學多少少嘢啦，係咪？即係佢雖然呢條題目就 focus 喺10% test solution 嗰度，咁我哋睇埋15同20% 嗰啲 solution 啦。咁你見到5% 係點啊？5% 係 跌咗落去噶嘛，沉咗落去咧，我哋叫或者叫做係咪？沉咗落去，即係代表佢係咩啊？代表佢個 concentration 係點啊？is higher 咯，than 5% 咯，係咪？因為佢個密度係重過5%，咁你先會跌咗落去噶嘛，係咪？即係你可以幻想你一盆水，你擺隻雞蛋同擺嚿石頭落去，你會幻想嚿石頭係跌咗落去噶嘛？點解？因為嚿石頭重啲啊嘛，咁所以咪會跌咗落去咯。咁佢而家5% solution 入面個 drop of dyed sucrose solution，即係有個溶，即係個顯影劑啦，係咪？係真係跌咗落去啊嘛。咁即係代表佢個 concentration 係高過5%咯，係咪？就係咁簡單啦。咁啊，15至20% 嗰個其實調翻轉嘅 concept 嗰啫嘛，你見到佢哋係上升咗啊嘛，係咪？即係上升個幅度唔同啊嘛，即係佢哋浮咗上去啦，或者叫上升啦，係咪？浮咗上去，即係代表佢哋嘅 concentration 係點啊？係 lower 咯，係低過15或者至20% 咯，係咪？因為佢低過，所以浮咗上去嘛。佢可能就係雞蛋，咁所以佢輕，所以咪會浮咗上去咯，係咪？咁所以其實呢個實驗，你唔明佢做過啲乜嘢，其實你就會得出我頭先所寫嘅所有嘢。咁當你寫得出我頭先所寫嘅所有嘢之後，其實成個 picture 好清楚啦，係咪？咁所以其實你就唔會答唔到啦。好，咁講完其他嘢啦，我哋翻返嚟題目先。咁啊，去到第二啦喎。第二佢就話，the water potential of all the algae cells is equivalent to that of 10% sucrose solution。哇，呢一個大伏添啦，點解啊？佢條題目用咗一個好特別嘅字眼，all all 全部喎。呢個世界係咪真係全部嘢都係等於10% 嘅 sucrose solution 咧？個 water potential 唔係啦，點解啊？因為如果你記得我哋讀呢課嘅時候，我哋學過即係 water potential 水勢呢一課嘅時候，我哋做過一個實驗啦，叫一個hemolysis 啦，個溶血反應，即係關於我哋 red blood cell 紅血球嘅一個反應。其實你話俾我哋聽，其實唔同嘅 red blood cell 佢哋自己都有唔同嘅 water potential 嘅喎，咁所以先會有一啲 red blood cell 爆晒，一啲 red blood cell 仍然維持到佢個 shape，而一啲 red blood cell 佢甚至可能變咗 turgid，係咪？即係 plasmolysis 啊、turgid 啊咁樣咧，plasmolysis 唔關事啦，因為 plasmolysis 係我哋嘅植物先會有啦，係咪？咁即係代表我哋其實嗰個實驗話俾我哋聽，並不是全部一樣 water potential 嘅喎，係咪？點解啊？Based on 我哋 hemolysis 嗰個 concept 咯，係咪？之後中文嘅同學仔即係我哋嘅溶血反應咯。即係佢唔係全部都一樣嘅喎，咁所以佢用 ALL 呢個字眼好明顯 foul 啦，唔揀得啦，係咪？咁啊，仲有一個 choice 望埋佢啦。咁啊，第三個 choice 喎，there is no net movement of water potential between 10% sucrose solution and the algae cells。啱啊，點解啊？因為呢個咪就係我哋一嘅解釋咯，係咪？點解我哋個 density 會話佢差唔多啊？即係個 level 差唔多，因為我哋冇一個 net water movement 啊嘛，因為大家都係 similar 嘅 water potential。哦，我離開咗10個水嘅 molecule，你又入翻10個水嘅 molecule 入去，咁所以冇一個 net movement，所以我咪會停留喺同一個位置入面咯。咁所以三係正確咯。咁咩時候唔揀得三啊？就係佢話，如果 there is no movement of water between 10% sucrose solution and the algae cells，咁就唔得咯。點解啊？因為佢有 movement，好似頭先我所講，入咗10個，亦都出翻10個啊嘛。只不過冇一個 let，冇一個靜嘅移動啫嘛，係咪？咁所以 let 呢個字眼好重要啦。我成日都答同學仔，如果 long q u e 嘅話，你冇咗 let 呢個字眼，其實你已經答題係冇分噶啦，係咪？咁所以其實呢個題目諗深一層，係咪真係咁難答咧？唔係啊，係咪？佢只不過個考試嗰個 set up 個設計未必係你平時熟悉嗰個，但係佢考嘅 concept 仍然都係一模一樣。咁所以呢條答案，呢條題目嘅答案好簡單，就係1同3啦，即係 which is 我哋嘅 C。咁我望一望啦，當年有幾多同學仔答啱呢條題目啦？咁啊，第12條答啱嘅同學仔得35%。咁所以你見到其實當條題目去到比較上望到複雜啲少少嘅時候，咁其實同學仔就已經好多人攞唔到分㗎啦。但你聽完我嘅講解，其實你覺得係咪真係咁難咧？其實佢考緊嘅 concept 咪又係嗰個 concept 係咪？只不過佢換咗一個方法去問你嘅啫嘛。咁所以我成日都同同學仔講，每一條題目你首先諗一諗，究竟佢係考緊邊一課？ 咁嗰一課有乜嘢重點？咁好大機會其實呢個題目就係考緊嗰一課嗰個重點。你諗下，冇可能去考嗰一課唔考呢啲重點噶嘛？係咪？咁唔合理噶嘛？唔 make sense 噶嘛？考評局其實都係考啲大路嘅嘢啦，係咪？佢唔考啲小路嘢噶嘛？係咪？小路嘢佢通常喺咩地方考啊？喺 long q 嗰啲1分2分嗰啲題目度考噶嘛？MC 佢通常都係偏大路啦，只不過可能用一啲 unfamiliar 嘅 step 去考大家啫嘛，係咪？咁所以同學仔希望呢一個講解幫到你去處理呢一條題目。